An important part of the profit forecast is not just the revenue estimate, but the cost estimate. And we're often asked, can I use my own practice management data to drive the cost estimates? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can do that. Um, and we give you the optionality based on the cost category. You can actually get granular enough where you can say, for our staff costs, I want to use our practice management data. For our supply costs, maybe the data quality is very low, and you could say, actually, I don't want to use my PM data for supply costs. I want to set up some rules. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. But the short answer is we can use either your data or rules, and we can kind of change the approach based on each of these five cost categories. So all you would do is you just come into your settings and you would go to rules, and you could create new rules and say, okay, for if it's, you know, Dr. Bennett, I could list out more doctors, or if we're having an angioplasty, knee arthroscopy, you can name the procedures. And if these conditions are true, then you apply the specific costs. You can also just set up rules that apply to all your cases, but oftentimes, for example, a ping case is going to have much lower supply costs than a larger spine case, for example, would have. And so these rules allow you to be as specific or as general as you want. And then once you apply the rule, it then gets added and recalculates all the cost estimates. Or if you have high quality practice management data for any of these categories, we can use that to drive the estimates as well. And in that case, what we're doing with your PM data is we're looking at all cases with the same physician and procedure code, and we look at what the costs were for those cases.